Hey everybody, it's Brice Quarter. Happy to be joining you here from Brooklyn, New York. I really wished I could be home this year to celebrate and remember Matthew on this special 10-year anniversary of his passing. But clearly with everything going on, I'm stuck here in New York, so I couldn't make it home. But I'm so excited that Weathervane and Kirsten Up Church and Erica put together this great opportunity for all of us over the years to remember Matthew in a way that he would most likely adore, which is through song. Before I get started with sharing that song with you, I wanted to share a quick, fun few memories about Matthew in particular. A memory that was kind of about the way he thought about theater and the way he approached every show that he directed. The song I'm going to sing is from a musical called Honk. It was a great musical that won the Olivier Award in 2000 and is honestly marketed as a children's theater musical. But Matthew wanted to, from the beginning, approach it with not a children's theater approach. I found an email that I kept from Matthew saying, "I like the idea of escapism and following the design concept as if this were a period 1930s play that incorporates elements of vaudeville and musical theater magic as an escapist form of entertainment, similar to what was actually going on during that time period. I really think this is a show for all kids, which makes me want to approach it as a musical, not as a kids show. Let me know what you think." And he sent that to our creative team, myself and Erica Twining Wills now as artistic associates, and our wonderful set designer Matt Hayes, our costume designer Ben Taylor Ridgway, and our beautiful lighting design by Jen Sansfaken, and beautiful props by Ashley Cusack. Kelsey Rudiger was our production stage manager for the show, and we had a lot of fun building the show and creating the show within this whole 1920s aesthetic. And Ben Taylor Ridgway really beautifully costumed me in something that was vintage 20s and not really normal and crazy, and I had like fringe at the end of the sleeves. I'll show a picture here in a second, but you can see it's just a really special piece. So I wanted to there's so many memories that I have with Matthew. I don't know what to pull up other than ones about the musical at this point in time, because selfishly, a lot of the memories are my memories and memories of wonderful times sitting together, talking about life and the challenges. And in Honk, there was one particular challenge. I was doing different, which is the song, and I was trying to get it. It wasn't sitting and it wasn't working. It was really honestly boring for me, and I think the whole group of people watching it. And he said, "I don't believe this." And I said, "Well, I don't know what I'm doing wrong." He's like, "You're not doing anything wrong. You're just not being honest." And I think that was the most important thing, was to be honest. And I will and have tried to be honest in everything I've performed since then. And I'm so thankful for him driving that even further to point about honesty isn't just truth, it's honesty within yourself, you know. For me, it was honesty in struggling and accepting my sexuality, also a lot of other things. But once we clicked and we had that come to Jesus moment, as Matthew was so well known for doing, it was cool. And so yeah, without further ado, here we go. Just how dearly I would love to cry, but it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different from the rest, and who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? Different, is it not? Different. regret, and though it's to the brother they forget, and choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these scrubby feathers, and I hate my stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you, somehow your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful. Different could be swell. But different is just, well, different. Thank you.